And we are back. How's it, TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for today is the Soundcore Liberty 4 adaptive active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds. Now, this has made the rounds on the internet for a while now, and we've decided to talk about it today. It was released in June of 2023, and the price on this one is 1,899 rands, which translates to 107 US dollars. Alright, let's talk specs. Some of the specifications include a Bluetooth 5.3, adaptive active noise cancelling 2.0, you've got a crisp high-res sound, you've got an adjustable EQ with the Hear ID 2.0. I like that. You've got 10 hours for a single charge, and you've got 50 hours from the charge case with the active noise cancelling off. And you get 10 hours, and you get 8 hours for a single charge with 40 hours with the active noise cancelling on. You got 6 mics and AI algorithm for crystal clear calls. You've got IPX4 for water resistance and a multi-point connection feature. And you've got wireless charging. Let's not waste more time. Let us pop this open and see what it is. Let's go. So when you open the box, this is what you get. You get extra ear tips right there in the box. It's kind of like sealed into the thingy. You see that right there? From extra small to extra large, right there. Put that inside. Oh, there we go. We've got a USB Type-C charging cable. I'll file that to the side. And we've got a warranty book and your manual. And this is the Soundcore Liberty 4 active noise cancelling, adaptive active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds. This is cool. I like this. First of all, it's a pill-shaped design, and I like it. What I love the most about just looking at this is the fact that it's all matte finish, so no fingerprints, which is one of my pet peeves. I do not like it. And number one, we've got the Soundcore logo right there, and we've got the USB Type-C charging port right there. Cool. Now, unlike most of the Soundcore earbuds you've seen, this does not open up to down or anything or sideways. This opens up like a wallet. It is cool because this is the top side, this is the bottom side, and it opens this way like a wallet. This is really cool. I like this. The indicator light here, also the charge indicator light right there, also is a button for you to release. You press to release the lid right there. That is cool. That is cool. I'm beginning to see all the rave about this, but let's take this off first of all. Let's take this off so we can connect them properly. It connects to the pins properly. There we go. Now, because of this way it's designed, I know a shake test is going to work, but let's just give it a whirl. We've not done that in a while. Let's just give that. There we go. Awesome. Just like I expected, it will stay. This is cool. All right, let's take this out. I really like this. This is awesome. Woo! Very good look. Okay. Aside for the color choice, it looks like every other long stemmed earbud, especially from the Soundcore range. It looks really good. Extra soft ear tip. That is nice. It is so soft. It is crazy. Don't know how these guys do this thing. All right, I've got to touch your indicator right here. We've got your indicator lights right there. And also there is a mic there too. There's another mic on the top. Oh, this is cool. And there's another one here. So 3 mics here, 3 mics here, makes 6 mics. That is cool. I like this. I like the finish. Very nice. Different shades of blue. No, this is like a blue and a gray. but it looks very, very good. I like this. I like this. All right, let's do a fit test. Let's see how comfortable this feels when we put it on. Let's go. Fit test. This is so comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Look at what it feels. Look at what it looks like. See that? Very comfortable. Wow. And also, I think it's one thing I like about earbuds with the stem. The stems also help to actually create like a little pinch thing. Not doesn't hurt. Just a little pinch thing that actually keeps the earbuds in place. Very good. And the ear tips are so soft. You don't feel like they're going into my head or something. This is really, really cool. I like this. Very comfortable. And I think you can run with this. You can actually exercise with this. I think you're good. Very, very comfortable. I like this. When I was in my research on this, I saw a lot of people complain about the earbuds not a good fit, but I don't know, maybe my experience is different, because as you can see, I can put it on right now and it is very, very comfortable. You can move, you can shake, it's actually in place. So I don't know, suppose everybody's experience can be the same, but there were a lot of people that talked about this not being a comfortable fit. But for me, it is. Maybe it's meant for me. yeah, good fit. Let's move on. All right, it's time for us to pair these, and let's see how easy it is to do. First of all, you know the rule. Put it back in the case. There we go. And close. And let's just pop it open. And let's go to our Bluetooth settings and see if we can just pick it up right there. And let's see. Right there, it's trying to connect. All right, this is awesome. And right there, it's connected. Sound Liberty 4 noise cancelling earbuds already connected. Simple. This is less than a minute. Doesn't take anything from you. Let us now go to the app again. Let's get to the app and let us see what features the app provides. All right, you know the vibes. Go to your Play Store or go to your Apple Store and download the Soundcore app. I've already downloaded it because I use a lot of Soundcore products. I've already downloaded it. And let's see if it's gonna pick it up. It should pick it up. There we go. Connect the Liberty 4 NC, and here we go. First of all, remind you, take the right size ear tip for yourself. You know what your ear size is. And remember your touch control. For operations, this is where you touch. Right there on the logo. And the adaptive noise cancellation, you also have an environmental detection, so you can switch that on and off, because environmental detection try to detect or listens around with the earphones, with the microphone, listens around for your environment wherever you are. If it's a quiet environment or a noisy environment, it makes the evaluation, and then you can use that. Operates, it regulates. That is nice. All right, we got it. And now, another firmware update, guys. Let's do this.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, update done, and it's reconnected, and let's see what it has to offer. First of all, let's take this out of the case while we're doing this, so that we get the whole full thing. Alright, now first of all, the active noise cancelling option always gives you that. The noise cancellation, normal mode, transparency mode, and on that transparency mode you got full transparent or your vocal mode. Now the vocal mode, what it does is it also silence. It gives you still have a feature, you still have an aspect of the active noise cancelling, but only just allows your voice sound a bit clearer. So yeah, but with a full transparent, it just gets all the sounds around you and not just the voice. It gets sound like movement, like cars and all that stuff. You also have the wind noise reduction feature here. You can switch it on and off. I guess we all know what that is for. It's for phone calls on your microphone, so you don't get that wind blowback sound. All right. We've got our sound effects, and we have the Hear ID sound that I always recommend for everybody. Set up this feature. It really helps your experience when you're using these. We have a 3D surround sound. Now this is a new feature on the app, but I know it's not going to work for every single Soundcore device. That's maybe the Liberty series maybe. And you have the 3D sound. You all know 3D sound. You go to your cinemas, so you know what the 3D sound sounds like. That is it right there. You can switch it on and off. And we also have our equalizer settings. Sorry. And we also have our equalizer settings right here, all 22 of them. They always come as default. And then we have the ability to customize what we want. That is awesome. That is really awesome. All right, let's leave sound. Let's go to save volume. We know what a save volume is. We set up this volume to reduce or limit how high the sound can be. This is your own settings. You can do that, or you could just set it up with your Hear ID when you're setting up the Hear ID feature. Very, very easy. We've got controls, left and right. Set it up the way you want to, and you also have the ability to use to set up your volume control. So like I say, if there's any earbud that comes without the volume control, might as well just throw it off. It's a waste of time. All right. Okay, let's go in here and see what other features we can get. We have a gaming mode. Now this I'm going to try. It enables low latency and enhances the in-game audio. This I'm going to try later. I really want to see what this is like. Sound leak compensation. Now what this does, it detects the audio around you, see how much of it is leaking. You know what leaking sound means? When you put it on and you're listening to something, when other people around you can still hear that thing you're listening to, that's an audio leak. Now this tries to compensate for the sound, you know, so as to set your sound quality to the optimal level. That is cool. I like that. That's a new feature. We've got a prompt tone. These are the sounds you get when you touch the earbuds, or when your battery is dying. It tells you you're getting low battery, all that stuff. You can set it up or switch it off. Your choice. Now we have dual connections. Now this is for you, for how many devices are connected to this earbud at the same time. Remember, it's got a multi-point connection feature. That's what this is. Multi-point connection just means I can connect it to my tablet, to my phone, and to my laptop all at the same time. Multi-point connection feature. Now we've got a fit test. This is for you, you know, you put it on and it helps you, it gives you it also listens. It's like an audio feedback thing that goes from the ear back into the earbud, so it determines if you're wearing it properly or if you're using the right size ear tip for yourself. This is really cool. You should try that too. Power off feature. This is set to 30 minutes. Usually I set it to power or never power off because I remember to always take it off. But if you know you don't remember when you're not using it, it will switch off in whatever time you set. That's cool. Yeah, find my device. Now this is for people that usually lose your earbuds. Maybe you put this on in bed and then you go to sleep. This happened to me once. I put it on, I went to sleep listening to some podcast, and then I woke up and I couldn't find the earbuds, and I just located it using the find my device. You just press it there and then the earbud starts beeping wherever it is. That is cool. All right. Okay, that's about it. So I will say this app has got what I call the compulsories. The things that are supposed to be here for without question, without excuse, they have to be in here. They are here, and then some. So yeah, I think I like the app. The app is cool, very concise. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna play some music, listen to this, enjoy some music, and then I'll come back to tell you what the experience is like. Yes, let's go. The sound from this, magical. It is beautiful. Very, very good sound. The active noise cancelling really creates an experience where you feel like you're just you in the room. It is beautiful with very, very good sound. Also bass heavy, like the Space one. It is bass heavy. Also, I noticed that. It also favors the highs and the mids, so it's supremely clear. You can separate the sound, great separation of sounds. You can pick out individual sounds. In fact, I must say the truth. I must say something I noticed when I was listening to this. There's a whole lot of similarities in the sound between this, the Liberty 4, and the Space One, headphones. Seriously, very, very, very similar sound. Very, very similar sound. All right, more on observation. Again, battery power, the Bluetooth connection is very, very steady at 10 meters. Anything past that starts getting choppy. Your battery capacity, pretty much what's on the box. You get 10 hours with the active noise cancelling off, and you get 8 hours with active noise cancelling on. The charge from 0 to 100 is actually 2 hours and some change, about 15 minutes, about 2 hours and 15 minutes thereabout. As for the call quality of this, here's what it sounds like. How's it, TOB family? This is a mic test of the Soundcore Liberty 4 noise cancelling true wireless earbuds. And this is what you would sound like when you are on the phone. In the comment section, I want you to rate the call clarity from 0 to 5, with 5 being the highest. Let's continue. Right. Now, go to the comment section and tell me what you think. I want to know what you think. Comment section. Right now. Go. All right. Let us summarize, and I'm going to divide my summary into pros and cons. Now, let's talk pros. Now, for the pros, the active noise cancelling on this has really, really improved. It is very, very good. The various variations of it, very, very good. You can tell the difference. It is very good. Also, the support you get from the app as relates to active noise cancelling, well done. Now, the sound quality you get from this, it's really top tier. Very, very good sound. Very, very good bass. It is actually a little bit bass heavy, so if you're bass head, you're going to love this one. I like it too because the bass does not overshadow the rest, because it also leans towards the towards the highs and the mid, so it's very clear. I really like it. You would like it too if you're a bass head. If you're not a bass head, I think you're still going to like it. Very, very, very great sound. Very decent sound. Another thing I like also is the LDAC support. I like the high res sound. It is beautiful. I like it. So yeah, I think it's a pro, is another selling point for this. All right, let's talk cons, or the things I did not like about this. Number one, the latency. Latency on this one, no. It's a no. It is not good at all. Yeah, no. The latency on this is not good. There's a serious lag, a serious delay when you're gaming with this. No, don't do that. Another thing I did not like about this also is the 3D sound feature in the app. Now, everything else is good on the app. What I could pick out is 3D sound feature. It's another great idea for the app, but I did not like it. The moment you activate it at first, it sounds good. You'll get that cinema feel of, the 3D sound and all the sounds coming at you. Can't really tell what direction. But after some time, it starts sounding echoey. Like it starts sounding like it's bouncing off the wall. Like you get that echoey sound. That just ruins it. So I think it still needs a little bit of work. It's a very great idea, but I think it still needs a bit of work. So, what do I think of the Soundcore Liberty 4? I think it's a great product. I think it's worth every cent. Despite whatever con I have brought, I mentioned, I still think it's worth every cent of the price. Very, very good. If you want it and you can afford it, get it. Very good.